Danes nature. Out of balance, the warning appeared quietly on the global climate monitoring system. Danger. Nature out of balance. At first, scientists believed it was a calculation error. But the data kept repeating the same message. Weather patterns were no longer behaving normally. Forests were blooming out of season. Rivers were drying in places that had never known drought. Storms were forming in regions where the sky had always been calm. Nature was no longer following its own rules. Animals began migrating to strange places. Birds appeared in cities where they had never lived before. Then the oceans reacted. Currents that had flowed for thousands of years began to weaken. The planet was not collapsing. It was shifting. The terrifying truth was simple. Nature was trying to rebalance itself. And when nature corrects itself, it does not ask permission. Cities prepared for storms never seen before. Farmers watched crops fail under strange weather. But deep in a research center, one scientist wrote a message that spread across the world. Nature is not our enemy. It is a system. When we push it too far, it pushes back. The warning was not the end. It was the planet asking humanity a question. Would we learn to live with nature? Or continue fighting it?